Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to add a link to an image using the Breakdance Builder free version. Now, over here, if you go to the image link and add over here, you can see that there is no link option. Even if you choose an image, no link option will pop up. So that means you can't add a link to this image. And there are some options where you can add it, but that's in the pro version. For example, hover over the media link and then click on the cylinder, and then over here you can see type image URL, and all of that custom image URL, featured image, post image attachment, everything, featured image, site logo, band site logo, all of that is available in the pro version. So you can't add this in the free version. So there are two ways which you can do this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now add an image and look for rich text. Now click on this text editor. Click on the box and it'll open up a text editor. Now over here, just click on add media, select an media and insert it into post. Now click on this image and then click on insert and edit link and paste any URL. For example, let's take this to Google. Now click on the apply button, and to verify this you can go directly to the code and see that the href URL is added to the image. Now click outside the box to close it and click on the save button. Now if you go to the front end of the website, refresh there. Now over here you can see that this image has now become a clickable link, and if you click on it, it will redirect to Google. Okay, now this was one way in which you can use the rich text box to add an image link, and it's an easier way because you don't have to edit the code directly. You can do it, but you don't have to. So it's great for those who don't have an experience in HTML and CSS. Now the second way to add it is by using the basic text box. Now this doesn't have any pop-up builder over here, so this is not a rich text editor. It's simply a text box, and over here you need to use HTML and CSS to add it. So for that, let's add an image, and we'll go to the media library and select the image you want. Scroll down and click on copy URL to clipboard. Go back to the WordPress editor. Now add the image tag img src and paste the link and close the image tab. So now we have the image over here, and now to make it a link you need to wrap inside the anchor tag ahref, and let's take this to again google.com, and close the anchor link. Now click on the save button. Now go back over here, refresh the page. Here's the link, and you can see this is now clickable link again, and if you click on it, it will redirect you to the google.com page. So here are, okay, and there's a bonus tip. Hold on, let me close this up. Now you see that there's a play button over here. If you click on the play button, it will open this up in a preview. It doesn't take you to the actually to the front end page. It opens up in a closed preview, in a preview box which you can close. And if you hover over here, you will see that the image turns into a clickable link, but if you click on it, it won't redirect anywhere. So if whenever you're testing this with Breakdance Builder, make sure to open the actual page in a new tab, and don't click on the play button because that will open the preview and your link won't work. So you'll get confused as to maybe you have added the code wrong or if you have added the link wrong. So don't use this. This is just a preview. Okay, so these are the two ways where you can how you can add a link to the image using the Breakdance Builder free version. And I would recommend going with the rich text option because that doesn't allow, because you don't need to have any HTML and HTML experience to manually add the code yourself. It gives you the option directly inside this WYSIWYG editor to add the media and then to add the insert link. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thank you.